don't you tell us about Sabre and the implementation so far?
Okay, so well, Sabre has like the best team. Like we've been supported very well with you, Jen. Thank you. And the whole process is very well organized. Like we have a project management meeting, and then we have like the technical meetings with Mark. I don't know where Mark is. Oh, Mark is with the baby. And Mark is very knowledgeable with all the printing aspects. He's very good with everything estimation, all the tables that need to be set up in the system. He's very patient. Like we come from another system, so a lot of stuff is new, and our employees they don't know everything that they should know, but Mark is there and he can answer their question, and he's very thorough in his explanation so that we can all understand.
Perfect. So looking to the future and having PrintVis and Business Central, what are the things that you're most looking forward to?
Oh my God. We're looking forward to have the system being all integrated in all our business, like from accounting to production to shipping, warehouse, management. Everything is linked together, and like we know that right now we're just implementing phase 1, but there's also, because it's with Microsoft Dynamics, we have a lot of add-on that we can put on later on. So if we want to connect with like a more extended version of a CRM, we can. If we want to put like captors on our machinery and we want to have that model, we can. So it's just the flexibility of having
something you can grow into, something that you can have for the future.
Yes, exactly.
And compared to other implementations that maybe you've done in the past, how do you consider sort of the implementation and the fit for your business? Are you finding that out of the box it's working quite nicely for you?
So I think it's a mix. A lot of what you guys advise us is like try at least out of the box, see how it could be used, and then if it needs customization, we can. So that's kind of what we're doing right now, and some features out of the box is perfect. It's way more than what we had before, so it's good. And then, but for some other stuff, we need customization.
Right, and I think the big advantage of Business Central, PrintVis, is the ability to take what isn't a fit and take something like PrintVis, which is perfect for the print industry, and take something that will snap in and fit the need that you have and the gap that you have.
Yeah, and the particularity with PrintVis is that when you're in Business Central, you don't know that you're in PrintVis. Right. It's all interconnected, so it's the same.
So in adoptability standpoint, customers, you're feeling good.
Yeah.
People are adopting it. They don't feel like they're learning multiple systems.
No, exactly. It's all connected, and like it's just our lingo. When we talk, we're like, okay, we're in PrintVis and we're in DC, but like for our employees, they're just in the system.
Yeah. Good. And Sabre is your choice.
Yes, Sabre is amazing. We started with another company. They didn't have the knowledge, and then we were connected with Sabre, and we've had the partnership for over 6 months now, and it's going very well.
Perfect. Yes. Well, thanks so much, Val.
Thank you, Jen.
All right.